with magnetic balls. The cards and instructions are Japanese or like Chinese, so we can't understand it, but we think that it works like this. We have to shuffle them, and if it lands on this, we have to put the colored balls onto that fish. So you have to find that fish first, and then you have to put the colored magnet balls on the fish. And so the magnetic balls will move. We have these sticks that has magnets right here, and you have to put it like that to move the magnetic balls. Yashi, what are the colors of the magnetic balls?
Yellow, pink, red, blue, and gray.
And there are like different types of fish that has different patterns on it. Yashi, what color do you want to use? The green one or the red one?
Red.
Oh, you want red? Okay.
Okay, butter.
Let's get started. Let's see who goes first. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Oh, I already lost.
Cut.
Okay.
Again.
No, you go first. Okay, this.
Nico, help me.
So Yashika has to do 2 yellow, 3 reds, and 2 blue. So you have to find one. What do you want? This one or this one? If you pick this one, this will be closer. Okay, you want that one?
Okay.
So you have to like.
And don't get it.
There's so many there.
Yes. Let's tangle it. So many there. Tanggal.
Let Biko help you.
Wait, you want help? Wait, you have to like. So, I think we have to move like the other colored balls here first. To there. This is like traffic.
This is the traffic.
Wait, excuse me.
That's traffic.
Okay. Oh no! I can't move it. Okay, move this thing right here.
Away.
I can't get the yellow.
And that's.
You drag
Oh
slowly.
my gosh.
Wait, I'm almost there. I just need to move
What's that?
these ones there, and oh no, I'm so close. I'm so close. Oh, there. No, wrong way. Okay, yes, we have 1 yellow done. Okay, wait, you need red, right? Yeah, you need 3 red. Put the red here. No, not there. Yeah. Wait, we need to. No, there's green. There's a green. We have to take the green out.
I don't do that.
Oh, there we go. We need green. I have a blue.
No, mine.
Okay, now put it there. Put it there. No, right there. Oh, you're going the wrong way now. It's gonna stick. That's okay. But we have to do that one. Oh, that was so close. No, not wrong way.
What?
Oh yeah, that is the right way. Okay, so we.
No.
So we need like 1 red, 1 yellow, and 1 more blue.
Oh.
I'm gonna do it.
Me?
You got a red and blue. So now we only need 1 yellow.
Me!
That laugh. Wait, I'm gonna move these here.
I'm
gonna help you. I'm gonna move. to the wrong way.
There, I know.
What's about that face, though? Yoshi, you have to do. Oh, Yoshi. No, wrong way, wrong way. You're going the wrong way. No. Wait, you want help? You want help? No, it's not pink. What are you doing? Yellow. We need the yellow. Wait, wait, no, 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 no. Go up here, go up here, go up. Wait, too much, no. No.
No.
Okay, there. Okay, go up. There. No, no, no! Yay, we did it! So there are 2 blues, 3 reds.
No.
What? So we already finished one, but that was Yasha's
I got it!
Next, it's Biko's turn.
Okay, now my turn.
Bata pick na.
No, it's my turn already.
Bata pick na.
Ooh. So 2 greens, 2 pinks, 3 blue.
Okay, bata pick.
Oh, I found one.
Pick. Okay.
But it's my turn, okay?
Okay, bata.
Bata, pick. Okay, let's just play. So, I'm green.
Again. Accept.
No, let's start it. So,
Okay.
So-
It's dalawa. Tayo dalawa kasi. Tayo dalawa scissors eh.
you can help me, but it's my turn. Okay, 2 green, 3
Oh.
blue. There has to be 3 blue,
Oh.
2 green. Oh, this one. Oh, there are already pinks and there's only. We don't need the light blue. We only need the pink.
There's only pink. Oh yeah. I
So
go.
we need one
I
more
go.
pink.
I go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Okay.
Oh. Okay.
The pink will.
No more road.
Oh, that was the wrong one. Oh, whoops. Okay. Oh, there's already. Why are you looking at me? Okay. Oh, green. Wait, there's like we don't need too much. We already have 2 pinks. We have to take 1 pink.
I don't get it.
Yes.
Wait,
Got it.
I got a water. Where you go?
No need. Oh, I got green.
I water for me.
Later.
Walk me water. Stock up.
So
Walk
wait,
me water.
we already need 1 more light blue.
Nico, I want water.
Okay.
Done. I'm done. Thank you for watching.
Please share and subscribe.
Yashi